Hello friends, welcome to another video. In today's video we will talk about golds and we will do some sort of analysis on gold and starting from the higher time frames, which is monthly, so that we can get a long-term view of the gold prices and what the gold is doing on higher time frames. Then we will make our way down to lower time frames, weekly, daily, 4-hour and 1-hour and intraday time frames. And we will talk about how we can trade gold on a day-to-day basis and how we can use these higher time frame confluences for our intraday trades. So let's start the video, guys. If we start our analysis from the monthly time frame, you can see, and if we check the market structure on the monthly, then we can see it's a low, lower, high, lower, low, higher, high, because the price broke and closed above the previous high. Then we have the higher low, lower high. This is going to be a lower low, and then the price broke and closed above the previous high, made a higher high. So right now, as you can see, the price is looking bullish on the monthly time frame. At the same time, I would like to tell you that this is going to be a zone which the price retested multiple times, and it's an area of interest. So if we mark these specific zones here, this is going to be the zone. As we can see, this is an area which the price rejected multiple times from, like if you see the price came, rejected the zone, then the price broke and closed below the area, but the buyers pushed the price higher. Again, the price tried to break the zone, it could not, and bounce from the area. Then as you can see, with this wick candle in August, price tried to break and close below the area, but then the buyers pushed the price higher, and finally price closed above the zone. Then again in September, price broke and closed below the area, and the buyers pushed the price higher again. In November, as you can see, price retested this area, and in December we made a higher high with respect to the previous high. As you can see here, the price bounced from this area and made a high. Then again, price retested the area, and now we made a higher high with respect to this high. So as we can see, the market is looking very bullish now on the monthly time frame. So let's check what is happening on the. So one more thing on the monthly, guys. Now as you can see that the market is looking very bullish. So the possibility is that we have this week. So the thing is, market is bullish. So we are expecting to fill this week, maybe like in this monthly, or maybe the next monthly, or whatever, and the next possible targets can be this high and these weeks, so and so on, if the price keep on going higher. Now if we go to weekly time frames, we will see that, okay, starting from here we have the high, higher low, lower high, higher low, higher high, lower low, higher high, higher low, and so on. But at the same time, so you see that we are making higher highs and higher low at the moment, but at the same time you will see that the price finding some difficulty to break this level. Now as we can see, the price bounced off this area and was rejected by this area. As you can see, we had rejections in the past from this area, so this time as well we got rejections. So now the possibility is, guys, as you can see, this is going to be a strong area. So if we are able to give a break and close above this area, then the next possible target is going to be this one, and then this one. So these are on the left hand side. As you can see, these are the multiple targets. So if the price keep on going higher, we get a break and close above this area. So the potential target is going to be this one and this one. So same thing is going to happen on the lower side, guys. If we are able to break this support, the potential target on the lower side, I mean on the downside, is going to be this area. As you can see, this is going to be an area, and we are this area. We can see the multiple times price got rejected from this area. So this is going to be the area, and so on. So by looking at the left hand side, we can find out where the price is going to go, either in the upside direction or the downside direction. So let's go to daily, what the price is doing on the daily. So now if you are wondering what are these lines and these rectangular boxes on my chart, so these lines are the daily zones, and these rectangular boxes are the 4-hour zones. These daily and the 4-hour zones basically I use for my intraday trading. And so now let's check what is happening on the daily time frame. If we start right from here, we can say it's a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. And as you can see guys, once the price broken close above this area, we perfectly get a break and retest here with a higher low. Again the price broken close above, then again a break and retest opportunity, and again the price broken close, but this time price did not respect this and gave us a broken close lower. Now this is the same area as we were checking on the weekly that the price is getting rejected from. So as you can see guys, we made higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and right now the price is broken below the previous low, made a lower low. Then we had a lower high and now lower low. So as you can see, price is making lower lows and lower highs now on the daily. So we are bearish and we can look for potential lower high to go short and continue this downtrend on the daily. So now as you can see, this is going to be a daily zone which has been retested multiple times in the past. So I mark a line, and also as you can see, this is going to be a daily zone because on the daily chart you can see multiple rejections in this area. Same here, you can see multiple rejections here, here, and so that's why it's a daily zone. So let's talk about what's happening on the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart guys, let's start from here. It's a high, low, high, 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 low, high, 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 low, lower high, then we have a lower low. So price started making lower lows and lower highs now. Now we can look for potential a lower high to go short and continue this downtrend. Now guys, as we can see, the monthly was bullish, weekly was bullish, but daily is bearish, and now 4 hours is also bearish. Now accordingly we have to use these zones and look for trading setups accordingly. Now one thing I would like to tell you guys, that the price like to move from zones to zone. Now as you can see, I have marked these zones. So once the price gives us a break and close above or below a particular zone, the price is most likely to go and hit the next zone. So I will give you an example, like once the price was falling down and once the price broke and closed below this zone, so where the price is most likely to go, as you can see, the price broke and closed below this zone here. So the price was supposed to hit this zone. As you can see, this is going to be a zone where the price is currently is. So now again, if the price gives us a break and close below this zone, where the price is most likely to go, the price is most likely to go this zone, and so on. So right now we can see the price is between this zone and this zone. So one thing you can see here, that if the price like coming from the top broke this zone, and right now at this zone, suppose if price is not breaking this zone, so what the price is going to do then, if the price is not breaking this zone to the downside, most likely it will go back and retest the previous zone, which is this one. So this information we can use for our trading. How we are going to use it, what you can do, go to a lower time frames. I will give you one example. I'm already in a trade with very less risk because this trade was taken like kind of very late, and it was like on Friday and weekend was approaching, so I wasn't much comfortable. So anyways, I will give you an example that on the 1 hour time frame you can see that the price was coming, making low, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then this was a kind of consolidation, or you can say it's a lower high and higher low because it's a higher as compared to the previous low. Then we found a break and close above this 1 hour zone. Now as I mentioned, we have the daily zones, 4 hour zones. So here as well you can see we have this 1 hour zone because this was the resistance and this was the support on the 1 hour. Now same situation guys, if we break this 1 hour zone on the upside, then most likely we are going to hit the next zone, which is, you can say it's here, okay. And if the price break below this zone, then let me take it to here. If the price break this zone on the 1 hour time frame to the downside, then where we are going, to most likely to the next zone. On the 1 hour time frame you can see this is going to be the zone, And why is it zone? Because as you can see, we had the buying here and we have this move started from here. There was a little bit of consolidation and the move started from here. So this was going to be most likely our target if the price was going lower. You can say the price could give us a break and close below this zone. So anyways, what we were doing now, the price didn't break to the downside, but the price gave us a break and close to the upside. So what happened? We got a break and close above. As you can see, this 1 hour candle close. So once I got this 1 hour candle close above this zone, I went to my lower time frames and found an entry. As you can see on this next 1 hour candle, this is just retested and started moving higher. My target is same this one zone. Same this zone. So because what can happen? This is a 4 hour and the daily zone, and the price might reject this zone and continue its movement to the downside. As we know that 4 hour and the daily is already bearish, so the price might reject this zone and continue bearish trend. So anyways, let's see. So once, as we can see, this candle closes 10:30 p.m. as per my time. This candle closes, so I went to my lower time frames. I took this entry on the 5 minute. You can see 30 minute. We have this 30-minute close as well. So there also you could find it 15 minutes, not exactly. So how I took this trade, guys? I took this trade as we know once this 5 minute candle closes. At the same time, we had a 1 hour candle close. So I was looking for some kind of entry. I mean, once this daily, 1 hour candle closes, I was waiting for a pullback and look for some kind of bullish engulfing candle. So as you can see on the 5 minute, we were making higher high, high low, higher high, and at the same time we had the 1 hour close. So I was looking for some kind of pullback and some good entry with bullish engulfing candle. Although I did not take the trade with this engulfing candle because I was looking for some bigger engulfing candle. So once I found this engulfing candle, I took my entry, and as I can see, the stop loss was just below the zone, this higher low of this 5 minute uptrend, and the target was same, guys. This was the target right here, as you can see on the 5 minute chart as well. This was my target. So right now, after that, I slept and I didn't know, and I'm still in the trade. So don't know, guys, who's going to win or lose, but this is an idea like how you can enter the trade. So let me tell you one more things what I'm expecting in this market now. If we once the price hit this zone and we find some bearish price action, if I got some indications to go short, I will take my entry with the initial target profit. This one, because in that situation, guys, I know daily is bearish, 4 hours is bearish, and if I got some indication that 1 hour is also turning bearish, I will take trade. My initial target will be this one, and I will take more target to the downside because now everything is in the sync. But if the price keeps on going higher on the 1 hour, I got a break and close. 1 hour, 4 hour, I get a break and close above this zone. Again, I will look for some kind of confirmations on the lower time frame to hit the target on the hit the target to the next zone, this area, and this is going to be the next target. Accordingly, once the price give a break and close above a zone, go to lower time frames, find your entry, and keep target the next zone. And that is how the price like to move, guys. That is how the price is going to move. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you very much. See you in another video.